the morning, we're going now to Hinabangan. We're doing now for the Samar Epic Mountain Biking Trail. This is Manny, Ma'am Ethel, Kuya Knowledge Live Print TV. On the way to Hinabangan. See you later. Just arrived here in Hinabangan. So we go now to the Municipal Hall. I'm gonna meet Ma'am Ethel and Sir Manny. Kuya Nol still coming. So it's already 7:16 in the morning. We're in Hinabangan Municipal Hall. We're just waiting for Sir Manny still coming and Kuya Nol Live Print TV. So now we're going to another epic mountain biking trail here in Samar, starting from Hinabangan, Municipality of Hinabangan. So we drive first our pickup going to somewhere in Canano, and then we stop there in the main road, and we're gonna start our trail biking going to Barangay Dalus Dusun, going to Barangay Buluan, going to Barangay Biri. Buluan is already part of Municipality of Calbiga, going to Barangay Biri, still part of Calbiga, and all the way to Barangay Literon, where you can see the Lulugayan Falls. And we're going also to pass in Barangay Kamlongan and all the way to Barangay Canlobo, which is already part of Pinabacdao, Samar. And we're going out in the Maharlika Highway in Barangay Laygayon in Pinabacdao, Samar. So this is a whole day biking adventure. So we don't know what time we're going back. So maybe night time, because this is the first mountain bike traverse from Hinabangan to Pinabacdao via Upland Barangay. So gonna wait and see you later. Ma'am Ethel. So gonna ride now the car. Okay. Other bike. So ready for biking. Yeah, nice. So ready now. So ready for biking. So later we're gonna go to Canano and start biking from there. So it's already here, Ma'am Ethel and Kuya Nol Live Print TV. First breakfast here in the restaurant Karinderia in Hinabangan. Let's go. Din, warin ano?
Gumuho ng kuan
Dito, melungib.
Di ba pag sakog niyon kuan?
Ano na? Ano marisyo?
Para marisyo ga.
Para daw masakay dayon masingoy didi kita kay yun ni kanimo kuan.
Design.
Design. Pili la ka mo. Mapen niya habal-habal.
Balabal.
Damon design.
Parang gan.
Breakfast muna para may energy. Ready na?
Ano pala yung kutsara?
Fix our interior. Buho daw yun ano?
Buho daw buho.
Para reserve ba? Ano sa?
Babae ano? Electric pan.
Hindi pa nga nag-start ano? Flat tire na tayo. Ano ni mo kon? Panahatag ni mo?
Karaguyop.
Ha? Okay. Damo na ni mo present taliwat?
Oo, doon.
Pagdurungan ng kabataan pagturo para pagbangoyo pa.
Oh,
On the way now to Canano. We're gonna go up from Barangay Nabangan to Canano. We're gonna drop off our mountain bike. Later we come back to Hinabangan to park our pickup in police station, and we ride habal-habal going back again, and we start biking. We're somewhere in Canano, so we're gonna fly the drone to see the sinkhole, the Sotano de Canano, the giant sinkhole.
Pumunta kami, bumaba kami. Ngayon,
Doon na lang bababa.
doon na lang bababa. Ayos,
Para mabilis na. Hindi na mahirapan.
Ha?
Airport.
Okay.
Daniel
Ni mo airport,
Romaldis.
sir.
Oh, grabe po yung Daniel Romaldis. Abot nga di.
Sir, ni mo airport daw.
Hmm.
Tanggalin. Tanggalin na. Kalo.
Okay. So going now to sinkhole. Drone. Going back. Okay. I already loaded our bike. So we're here end of going to Dallas Luzon. So gonna go back to Hinabangan to the police station. We're gonna park the car there and come back here later. Okay. So let's go back to Hinabangan. Talyan yung nangyari no? Talyan.
Pwede.
Talyan. So mini Talyan.
Gusto ko ito tumilot tinuon. Mas matiglos. Matiglos ini.
May siluping ka mo, madam? Ang brutal. Plastic. Pinarutan.
Di ba may daka dito?
Gusto sugad na ito pagparot manada.
Pero,
Hmm.
upayan pa ito niyan.
Upayang pa ito. Amisan pa.
Yung pipinishing pa
Sige
niyan.
sir, pwede na kayo pumunta doon.
Oh.
Para kayo ingata.
Di panganin amo kan pagtrabaho kan di
Yeah, marasa. Talyan.
Talyan.
Ang tawag?
Talyan daw.
Talyan. Oo.
Kamambana, no?
So pwede na ipasabog.
Yung pambumba.
Yan. Hindi dito. Pinapasok yan sa one. Sa canyon na yan, no?
Hindi pala basta-basta.
Hindi, nandito yung bala, oh.
Tiros.
O, sige, sige. Lagay na doon. Butang. Detail mo. Dito, kon.
Diri ari kay.
Ano na, ibabala na eh. Sige, luyo. Ayan yan. Bala. Sunod. Sige, sunod ang bala. Sige, sunod ang bala. Oh, fire in the hole.
Fire in the hole. Ang bangkag sige, nakatubang.
So, ganyan pala yung pag-ikuan. Hindi pwede hawakan daw kasi Makati.
Pag ginugasan ko yan, magkakati.
Oo, kakati.
Yun na hini.
Sige,
Oh.
Yun na hit.
Oo, kaya na to. Ubod na. Sige, yan lang pala.
Yeah.
So,
Ito yung tinatawag na...
pagkapatan ito.
ito, kapatan pa. Sige.
Ito yung tinatawag na talyan para. No?
may
Oo.
nakaluto.
Marami dito sa inabangan.
Mahirap pala. Mahirap pala kuanan parutan.
Albiga sa mga ibang lugar. Magkano yung bintahan dito kuya ng ganito? Pro.
180 daw ini.
180?
Oh, palit.
Kada usa.
Oh,
200 euro.
baligyan na. 20 lang na yan.
Pero kung dito na highway,
Pero naman, pero
250 na.
250 na highway. Sa highway.
Tayo.
Ha?
Magbinta.
Oh, nakakam pala tayo, naka-discount pala tayo.
Bilhin namin lahat.
Oh, sige.
Ma-pick up.
Oh. Mas maganda. Pero katoy ka na nagmamotor? Okay pa toy, pero ni mo edad 11 pala. Oh, bata pala yan. Dati magmotor, going to Dallas Luzon. Hinay ka mo. Another Talyan.
Kanara po doy.
Oh, damo na liwat ang Talyan. Puno na liwat. Oh. So from Dallas Luzon. Talyan from Dallas Luzon. Oh, daming Talyan. Adi na naman service. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, adi na nakuan. Oh, wow.
Okay. Wow, adi na nang gisak yan.
Oh, adi na, wow. Hop.
Okay.
So, damo salamat. Ready to go. So, start biking now going to Barangay Dallas Luzon. The time now is 10. So, we're still starting. So, biking until night time.
Pinalakyan mo to, sir?
First.
Wala na, wala na.
Ayan na, ayan na.
Wala na.
Ayan na.
Steve Boy na.
Ayan na.
Na.
Sige. Yan na, mapapasubo na. Our summer, epic summer biking trail. Going na Barangay Dallas Luzon. So, let's go biking, extreme biking, Samar Epic Biking Trail. Crossing the wooden bridge, going to Barangay de los Doson.
Duson.
Magdadalos kami. Magdadalos kami sa Dalos-Duson.
Bato-bato. Matagang pag-bike. Oh.
Masakit pa break up? Because it's there. Yeah, limestone. Very nice. On the way to Dalos Doson. Nice view.
Nice view.
We're near Dalos Doson. Barangay is only there. Barangay Dalos Doson. Na-refill na our water. There's a drinkable water there. See? Bukid. Tikang Burabod. Yeah. We're near now barangay. So I just get water. We're here na Barangay de los Doson. Arriving finally. Sila ay nagdadandansoy. Yeah, welcome Barangay de los Doson, Hinabangan, Samar. This is the last barangay of Hinabangan, Samar. So when we go further here, going now to Calbiga. So we're gonna have our lunch here in this barangay. So already 12 o'clock. Oh yeah. Sayaw na! Sayaw na! Okay, Barangay de los Doson. Paya magsayaw. Okay.
Okay.
Sayaw din. Yeah, finally arriving Barangay de los Doson. First barangay. Made it. One barangay down.
Yay!
Yay, we there.
Dito na sila oh.
Okay nga, aga at hato na tanan labi na kung bisita. Ano hira na bisitahan, Barangay de los Doson, Hinabangan. Mo ang pinakahirayo nga barangay, 14 nga barangay. Amo nang pinakahirayo, bale 9 kilometro. Pero may ada na, namon sasakop nga kib. Bale ang abandunggon nga kib, nganhan Maduyan nga kib.
Mahagodol pa.
Mahagodol bali tuloy nga kib nga iragin bibisita din nga barangay sanlit. Anamon na din pinaka problema dala na amon dalan makuri pa. mamundanan. Kinahanglan ko ta ang gobyerno mapanginano para madali ang pagbisita din na among barangay. Mabuligan kung ta kamihan among kalsada. Kay the best nga may ada mga bisita nga napisita nga mga barangay dili pa kurian. Ngan may ada kumikita liwat ang among barangay dara nga may ada bibisita na among barangay.
Sige.
Pati na among mga tuig. Sanglit napaka-importante nga ani na akong bisita ng inano di barangay magkakami ada kami isang ordinansa nga sindon masulod may ada bayan. Sanglit magpapasalamat liwat ako hini nga programa labi na tourism nga ang among barangay para kumita among pag-aayoson labi na among pagbisita hana akong mga bisita nga mga pagkadiha barangay.
Okay.
Damo nga salamat mao kay nga aga aton
Okay, damo salamat kap. Salamat to kapitan din Barangay Dalos. Tanan nga na to kap. Mungaran kompleto.
Pedro Balondo M.
Oh,
Mabansag.
Pedro Balondon Mabansag. Sama ni kapitan.
Barangay Dalos Doson, Inabangan.
Okay, salamat kapitan. Okay, we're having our lunch here in Barangay Dalos Doson with Barangay Captain. Damo salamat mo. Hospitality sa iyo barangay. So after eating our lunch, we can go biking, going now to Buluan. Gonna pass in the forest. Going now to Calbiga. Biscuit ko no. Mga kuhan din biker already, mga local. Dalos Doson. Buka kami rakuan barangay. Para may da kami souvenir.
Surat ko na lang sir ha.
Sige, surat na lang tanan nila. Gara barangay secretary nga mo, barangay secretary.
Opo.
Ano ngaran mo?
Mary Jean Kabigayan.
Dali si kabigayan naman mo kabigayan na dito panayuran ni Lando. Kabigayan man nadto. Akong guide lot ito dito panayuran.
Ang dirmak na kilala.
Pero daang kabugayan ano. Ah. Bye-bye, see you in Barangay Buluan. Let's go! Okay, going to Buluan. Okay. Leaving now here in Barangay Dalos Doson, so the time is already 12:53. So we're already starting biking going to Barangay Buluan, Calbiga, Samar. So we're leaving in Nabangan. There, Kuya Nold, Live Print TV.
Hi.
See you. Okay, let's go. Ano yan? Ano yan? Nagbabawal na teknik? Ha?
Tumba ang bike.
Bike lang na tumba?
Nagpahinga. Nagpahinga ang bike.
Naman, napitik. Okay. Diretso layog. Ayaw.
Masyut lugod. Mapiang.
O dog, di lang makakabay ka no.
Yung kanina ko pinabawasan ko sagad na tas mahaba na. Sabi ng mekaniko, hindi na to pwede pang trail. Kaya walang sukat sir na pang sinlak.
O, swimming pool yung trail. Nakabulos gyapon ang bike. Ang bike na nasa kayong tao.
Pwede ni sugad na lang bike.
O sige, pwede.
Padalos-dos ko na lang ini.
Oo.
Fire again.
Okay.
Ah.
Hop, hop. Okay.
Diri na biking.
Ano na?
Dusuin. Duso.
Dusoeng?
Dusuin.
Ano yan, sinkhole?
Baikabul.
Dandabol, dandabol.
Dandabul pala. Tulabul.
Tulakbol.
Tulakbol?
Tulakabul.
Tulakabol.
Tulakabul.
Ini ba kabol na? Ato dandabol. Biking down the old logging road. So we're here already in semi jungle. So this is an old logging road from Hinabangan to Calbiga. So we go somewhere in Buluan. Before Buluan. So it's already forest. Ang waiting shade. If there's a rain, you can shade here.
Gusto mo mapasok?
Like a mini cave.
Bagang laro pa mo ko yun.
Ha?
Bagang laro pa.
There you go, tila ito. Uphill. Time for hiking. Dandansoy. So we're gonna already traverse near Buluan. So we're gonna go now to the road, the main road. Nice here. Kahoy para sa kalabaw.
Tagal na kamong sa matagal yung sama rin. Yung Pilipinas, buong Pilipinas. Tinapos tayo ng ano. Tanya. Kasi mados sila.
Okay na eh. Okay. Finally, we're already there in the trail going to Buluan. So we're gonna cross now the trail from Biri to Buluan. So we go first to Barangay Buluan. Go left side.
Mautro pa.
Marasa pa.
Marasa.
Pag masarap, pag mahirap, masarap.
Masarap.
Tama. So this is the trail going to Biri. And we're going first to Buluan there. So we're now here in the trail. Yeah. Going to Barangay Buluan. So we can bike now going to Buluan, Calbiga, Samar.
Nakabidyo pa naman.
So we're near na Barangay Buluan. Okay.
Dala mo ba?
Going now to Barangay Buluan. Ikaw.
Bike lang naman ito nagagamit.
Ready.
Approaching.
Barangay Buluan approaching.
Approaching.
Ayan. So barangay now here in arriving Barangay Buluan, Calbiga, Samar. Yeah, we're gonna take a rest here. Take a picture there in the their landmark, Barangay Buluan. Have a snack and later back to Barangay Biri. Then Barangay Buluan with our guy Dandy. Oh, hello Anay. Oh. Among guy the cave.
Yeah.
Oh.
Nice meeting you.
Oh, live friend TV niya, vlogger.
Ayun,
O sige, interview ikaw ang Dandy.
Cute. Ilang pera ka balay din yung
Damo.
Ha? Pera ka balay.
Kada ako na barangay ko na din eh.
Ako ini.
Bahay naman ako mabasa naman.
So we're now in Barangay Buluan, so we're here our guide. So we stay here during the caving expedition with the French and also the Italian long time ago. So this house, we explore many caves around here in Buluan. In Danau Cave, big cave, about 3 kilometers long. But far away, you need to walk like 3 hours. Walking from here, going there to Danau Cave, in New Cave here in Calbiga.
Mga babae nila, di ba?
Oh, di ba? Pwede na kang Valentine's.
Tagan mo sa lalaki.
Oh. Arriving Barangay Buluan, Calbiga, Samar. Yeah. Yeah. Welcome to Buluan. We arrived in Buluan. Nice here. This is the first mountain bike to visit Barangay Buluan. So we're gonna have snack here and later we go back to Barangay Biri. Oh, okay. Very good. Sige. We're here in Barangay Buluan, Calbiga, Samar. The first mountain bike to visit this barangay. Barangay Buluan. So welcome back again, Barangay Buluan. Oh, dyan tayo. Snack, sige.
Ito yung snack day.
Sige, may ice cream.
Ito mo? Ito yung magot.
Okay, we can have our snack here. This nice. Ice candy and biscuit. Oh, snack.
700 plus kada dito. Ito na pa yung mga bata na ito.
Yummy.
Ay, ba pa ikaw nakatulog paglalakad?
Ayun ang ice cream. Maraming mga ice cream na tinda siya.
Ate mo na mo, dam ko skin din. Damo pa kuno dito na skin. Papalita pa daw, te.
Welcome. Oh, may doon na kwan. Papalapalperan ron. Snack time.
Ate, oh.
Oh, yan. Oh, dali.
Happy Valentine's.
Okay.
Welcome.
Oh, damo naman ang sindi. Doon ito tayo parang ibuluan.
Ito ano?
Nanganan ron, nanganan na.
Bakay rin.
Ha? O siya na ito?
Ito.
Lilibot na.
Ito rin na nga ni Kitty at nagdamot. Kaya may
Ada na.
Meron picture!
May Barangay Buluan, damo salamat. Thank you very much. So ready for biking now, going to Barangay Biri. So still part of Calbiga. Let's go. Mga bike. Kami, salamat. Bye-bye. See you next time. Babalik. At babalik.
Sa kanan. Sa kanan ako gusto bumalik.
We're leaving at 3:58 here in Barangay Buluan. Now going to Biri, Barangay Biri. Let's go. My bike. Gonna push. A little dirty. Resting.
Mga ganitong oras, nasa gulo-ulo pa tayo.
Come out here from Barangay de los Doson, and then we went to Barangay Buluan first. Now we come back. Now going to Buluan there. Kuya Nold is already there. So going now to Biri. This is the way going to Biri. So see you Biri.
May dire pwede ba ito? May kahoy, abot nga. Hindi ka rin makakadaan. Kaya dapat alalay lang sa throttle. Diba? Yun ang paliwanag ng enduro sport. Huwag mo daw parang nilalagari mo yung lupa. Kasi natatabas lang ya. Kaya nakakapitan. Lalong hindi ka makakadaan.
Kaya pa Lola.
Kaya pa. Para sa'yo to, Apo.
Beautiful is a rainbow. Oh, there rainbow. Very nice. So gonna rain now. And my bike. So they said Barangay Biri is already near. So we're almost there. Gonna take a rest there in Barangay Biri. Let's go. Yeah, with the beautiful rainbow washing the river.
Pangatlong ilog.
My bike there. Still there. Muddy. Yeah, washing time. Abot ba?
Abot pa.
Sige. Okay. We're near now Barangay Biri. So we're just washing our bike to get the mud. Running. Yeah, we're near Buluan. Just washing our bike.
Sige, dinala ni Kuya John, mapapicture.
Nagkakamang na Lola.
Tanggalit ko kaya sa talo, ano?
Yeah, finally arriving Barangay Biri. So the waiting shed, my bike there. So that's already the cement road there. So finally, we are now in the highway. Yeah, finally arriving Barangay Biri. We're gonna take a rest there. So we go night biking, going to Literon, going to Kamlungan, going to Canlobo, all the way to the highway. So we have a night ride, biking. But it's good because already main road. No more, no more jungle biking and mud biking. I don't know, somewhere Kamlungan to Canlobo. Maybe some still rough road. Okay. Okay. So finally, cement road.
Naku po.
Ayun. Survive. Slippery. Finally arriving Barangay Biri. Yeah, made it. We're gonna have our snack here. And later night biking going to Barangay Literon. All the way to Kamlungan. Washing time. We're washing in the river. Thank you. Washing time. Ayos, survive.
Survive, Lola.
Lola, survive.
Survive, Lola. Survivor, Lola.
Wala, washing liwat. Tamang bike. May time na. Yeah, it's already night time. We're still here in Barangay Biri, Calbiga, Samar. So it's still raining. So we're still going to Literon. Here in Barangay Biri, Calbiga. Oh, picture. Now here in the junction, so we're now going to Literon. Lulugayang Falls, 4 kilometers. So we're now in the junction, going now to Literon. So we're arriving in Barangay Literon. So we will eat our dinner in the sari-sari store. So finally, Barangay Literon, Calbiga. This is the place where the Lulugayan Falls, but it's already night time. Cannot go there anymore. Yeah, my bike there. So welcome, Literon. So we're gonna eat our dinner here. Time now is already 7:11. Banana for 50 pesos only. 3 banana for 50 pesos. Yeah, very cheap here in.
Oh, naubos niya yung goy. Lula ang goy.
Naubos na yun? Ha? Naubos na yan? Saging? Saging pa ako dito. Oh. So, gonna eat. Hot choco. Choco time. Hulog-hulog lang. Pero 5 pesos sa? Ha? Oh, 5. Beda ka na hot choco, 5 pesos. Tagayanay. Cheers. Cheers. Pampainit. From the machine. Ah, yummy. Choco, choco. Choco.
May saging.
Kompleto. May noodle. May banay. Oh. Dito na tayo in Literon.
Ano, may luya pa nga ni oh.
Luya.
Oh, saging.
Para umupa yung tingon. May karaoke.
Oh.
Waterfall.
Oh. May tubig.
Ano man?
May manok. May
Manok, may hotdog.
Oh, pwede kang paluto.
Kami manok.
Lumi.
Lumi.
Na-order namon na kuan.
Nilipas ang panahon.
Noodle with egg in Literon.
Okay, oh.
Pwede ka mag-order lahat dito, manok, hotdog.
Ang sarap.
Sarap. Noodles talaga pag...
Ang talaga tsura mo, hindi mo karigsig mo.
Time. Yeah, nice. Now we're gonna stay here overnight here in Barangay Literon because it's already night time. So we decided to stay here in Barangay Literon. Tomorrow we're going to Kamlongan. So we just park our bike here. Decided to sleep here tonight, so this is only not in the plan. Because tomorrow we need to see the view going to Kamlongan all the way to Barangay Canlobo, going out to Pinabacdao Highway. So that tomorrow maybe we're gonna visit Lulugayan Falls here, fly the drone, and see the view here in Barangay Literon. So we're gonna sleep here. So thank you Barangay Captain of Literon for the hospitality in your barangay. Damo na salamat. Time to prepare. My shirt somewhere there in here in Literon, so I have something to wear because it's already wet. So my pants is already wet. I'm not prepared to sleep overnight. That's why I buy a shirt. We're gonna go inside the barangay hall. So we're gonna sleep here in barangay hall. Barangay Literon, Calbiga. There. So I'm gonna time for the change. I'm gonna change now. I have my brand new shirt. So just buy it 150 only here in Literon. Yeah, I'm gonna change now. In the restroom. So we're gonna sleep here. Or I don't know, maybe here. So we're gonna see where we're gonna sleep. Resting. So taking a rest. So we're gonna sleep now a few minutes. Right. I'm just resting here. Barangay Hall. Barangay Literon. So in a few minutes gonna sleep. Because tomorrow we wake up 5 o'clock in the morning. Gonna prepare. So that's 6 o'clock we're gonna have our breakfast. And then start biking going to Kamlongan. Then after Kamlongan going to Barangay Canlobo, which is part of municipality of Pinabacdao. So biking all the way to the main road, to the highway going Pinabacdao. So that's our mission for the second day. Yeah. Morning. So our second day, going now to Barangay Binangaran. So we're gonna go now having our breakfast here in the store. This is our second day. We're here in Barangay Literon. Ready going to Barangay Kamlongan. So see you there in Kamlongan. We're gonna have our breakfast.
Alright.
Minasaging here. Okay, ready. Breakfast time. Coffee. Good morning. Ready to Barangay Kamlongan. We're leaving now in Barangay Literon. Let's go biking again for second day. Yeah. We there.
Because we dare.
Because it's there.
Because it's raining, we dare.
Okay, we're going now. Starting our biking to Binangaran. Going to Lulugayan Falls. So but we're going to Binangaran. We're not anymore going to the waterfall. Biking now to Binangaran. Woohoo! Staying here on the road going to Barangay Binangaran, so we're waiting for Sir Manny and Ma'am Ethel. They're still coming. Yeah, nice second day. It's still raining, so it's good because it's not hot. It's better like this. My bike. May bag there. So relaxing. Watching na, saan yung ibon?
Parin na, lumipad
Wala
na. Lumipad.
Diyan?
Nandun kanina, 3. Lumipad na. Maganda pa ng kulay yun. Red, green, at saka blue.
Bird watching along the road.
Malapit lang ini.
Wow, Ampalaya Farm. Very nice. Oh,
Welcome to
it's
my
already
farm, Ampalaya Farm.
Ampalaya Farm.
Amo nga nila ginagawa ng sinakusa ko.
Ampalaya Farm.
Nalulot kita saging.
So, gawin na ito. Binanggaran.
Kadiin ako yung
Oh. We can see sea of cloud. So, sea of clouds. Yeah, there. Nice
Ito
view.
yung pakiramdam ko yun, no? Yung, kasi yung ambience kasi. Kaya hindi makaka-capture sa video talaga. Kasi dito presyo ha.
Okay.
Ang lamig.
Nice. We're gonna draw on the Kalidungan Lake.
Landing dyan din ha.
Oh, kita na namin yung Kalidungan Lake. Oh, there.
Ayan nga.
So, ang Kalidungan Lake. Source ng Lulugayan
Madilim na.
Falls.
Ang konti.
Oh, source niya ng Lulugayan Falls. Kaso brown lang kasi umulan kaya naging brown. So, diyan galing. So, galing sa cave yung nung source niyan. So, pwede dyan mag-cave diving. Flying the drone, see the Kalidungan Lake. So, that's the source of the water to Lulugayan Waterfall. All the way to Lulugayan Rapid and river go to Calbiga, where the bridge, Calbiga River. So, the source is Kalidungan Lake.
The bridge is falling down.
Yeah, nice. Now, near Kamlongan, over there sa barangay Kamlongan. Yeah. Okay, let's go. That's my turn. Let's go. Okay, Kamlongan. Barangay Kagawad. Ano yung ngaran Kagawad?
Juji
Joji ang apelido.
Mabag.
Ha?
Juji Mabag.
Mabag. Joji Mabag. O, sige, hayan mga lungib din yun yung sasakupan.
Ano ito sa
Mga ano?
Kanyawa Kid.
Kanyawa. Mga pira ka orasan lakad din Ang ito Kanyawa.
Mga estimate ko siguro mga siguro 3 ka oras o.
Mga Kanyawa. Labot ang Kanyawa cave. Ano pa na cave na may edad din Ano yung nababaran na sakop din Labot ito na Kanyawa. May da pa iba?
Amo na sa tagmaram.
Mo lang umaram. Pero damo pa din
Ito yung mga kuan ito mga
Iba.
Kanyawa Kid ba mo sikat.
Sikat. May din ito napakato na bisita. Waray pa.
Aging katit ano na.
O, mga foreigner. Ano na pa? Di ba?
Chiknera.
Oo. Kaya mo nga bangin na yan na sa amin. Bumalik kami nga ito. Makadin na kami yung barangay. Ha? Kaya bangin katuon liwatan mga foreigner. Kaya explore dito para ma-discover. Na magka-human tourism din para mabisita lahat mga iba na mga tao. No? Sige, salamat. So we're here in Barangay Kamlongan. So we're here in their plaza. Gonna take a rest. So later we're gonna continue to Barangay Antol. Antol sakop itong Calbiga, no?
O sir.
So ang pinakalas na barangay Antol.
Oo, tama.
No. Sige, the last barangay is Antol. So that's the last barangay of Calbiga. Pag humanan Antol, Kanlubo.
Kung kano po na pero
Pinabakdaw na sakop. So next is Barangay Kanlubo, part of Pinabakdaw. And okay. Raining. So we're gonna be eating our breakfast.
Sunod na luto sa barangay
Breakfast. Noodle. Meatloaf.
barangay Talbo. Ano to?
Kanlubo.
Oh, Kanlubo. Talbo. Kabalbula.
Time. Kaya rin Kamlongan. So kailangan natin may energy. Bago mag-biking ulit going to Antol. O sige, maya na. Okay, pangaon na. Salamat. Ate yan na nagluto. Salamat ate. Ano ba nangyari mo ate? Ha? Jenilyn? Oh, salamat kan ate Jenilyn. Yan, nagluto namang breakfast di Kamlungan.
Waray kay waray kami pag
Oh.
kuan ate kung waray ning pagkaon.
Oh.
Saan ang bahay?
Diyan lang.
ito.
Ayan.
May wifi.
Hindi, pag sa amin yan, iwan kong charger ni Ponsyal. Yun. Ponsyal ba yun? Si...
Okay. So we're leaving now. We just finished our breakfast. So we're going now to Barangay Antol. So preparing now. And Kamlungan. Also waiting in our bike there. Ready to go. We're leaving now in Barangay Kamlungan. So ready to Barangay Antol? Yeah, we there. Okay, let's go. So we're leaving now in Barangay Kamlungan. So now we're on the way now to Barangay Antol. This is the Barangay Antol is the last barangay of Calbiga. So after Antol, Canlobo going now to Pinabacdao, Samar. Okay, let's go.
Yeah!
Yeah, ready.
Hindi ko lang sa paarasan ko.
So there's another road there.
Let's take a look.
But we're going here to Antol. Ano na ma'am, nagduso naman.
Tulakabul. Tulakabul. Buta na sir.
So we're now arriving Barangay Antol. So this is Antol. So we're in the creek. So they're swimming there.
Last na barangay.
Last barangay.
Ng Calbiga.
Antol.
Ang barangay. Antol.
Oh. Barangay Antol na.
From Lulugayan, from Lulugayan.
Finally arriving Barangay Antol. So this is the last barangay of Calbiga. So after Antol, we're going now to Barangay Canlobo, going now to Pinabacdao. Made it. Gonna relax there in the waiting shed, Barangay Antol. Tatay? Remehio ano? Nablo. So damon lang ibdin niyo Barangay Antol. O sige, kuan nga ni kakadiyo namon yan na summer para ikaw mag-guide. Ato mga bito, mga lungib. Mga ano. Kaya para ma-discover nato na niyo mga open up para siya dahon. Para may mga bisita na kumaniliwat, di ba? Na magkuan nga din, makakain ka man niyo barangay. Barangay Antol. Covered court. So now it's already trail. No more road. So trail going to Canlobo. So another hiking area to Canlobo. Time for Dandabol.
Welcome to the jungle.
The end of the road. So that's the way going to Antol. So we go that way there, down there in the river. We're gonna cross there. Down there. So Tata is there. Said the way going there. 1 hour more walking. River crossing. My bike, sir. River. So no more road. So they said this is a Carabao Trail going to Canlobo.
Pampakwan line eh. Tayong bike. Mukhang mahirap umakyat ng madulas. Alright. How? The Carabao.
Yeah, finally we crossed the bridge. Unfinished bridge. So we're here.
Dito.
Side. So yun na.
Inom ko ba lalo?
So going na to Canlobo. To pinabak daw now. Ready?
Panharas ang dalan.
Oh. So said less than an hour going to Canlobo Trail. Carabao Trail. Oh, pinabak daw na tayo yata. Welcome to Municipality of Pinabakdaw. Yan, nasa Pinabakdaw area na tayo. Oo. Okay.
Diba, tatlong bayan. Sa isang
Welcome.
sa isang ano lang, adventure pero 2 araw.
Okay.
Grabe, nalakas ng...
Bisan ano?
Pinakbit.
Bisan la kuan basta ginahamot-hamot pagad manggihap. Bisan lula.
Dama.
Ginahamotan
Ano?
ayam. Ang butterfly kay Carabao. Sana hamot-hamot og yapit taong.
Malakas yung
Sana all.
team pinakbit.
Oh.
Pinakbit adventure.
Nice view. View. So there's already houses here. 3 houses.
Karet.
Here in the trail. So Kuya Nolt is flying the drone so we can find the trail going to Barangay Canlobo. So we're finding the trail.
Tayo sa may matas pero pag nakasampa tayo diyan, sir.
Okay. Okay. We find already the trail going up there. That's the way. So that's the way. Okay, let's go. Going up. Uphill king.
Lapa.
Sige pa.
Upod pa.
Marasa lano.
Dinak mapan. Katurog na lako. Alak kipay nalapa na. Duwa na kadlaw.
Sige, dosa bombahe. Ito. Oh, yan.
Because we there.
Because it's there. We there. Okay, Fidel.
Dol. Dusu.
Ka.
Because it's there. Be there because it's there, be there.
Okay. Ka pa, maupod pa.
Diri na.
Kaya ano?
Dilak maupod. Makapoy na.
Kaya makapoy na, di ba? Nasa rin ka na.
Kadlaw.
Dokadlaw na.
Matanak.
Tali sapatos.
Naku po.
Wala, tali kita ng sapatos. Tali kita sa leeg mo eh.
Oo.
Tali tayo sa 2 paso. Para hindi na talaga sumama.
Di, maupod pa yan, maupod pa.
Pag upod, hindi ka nala.
And then Barangay Canlobo, Pinabakdaw. So this is the first barangay that we're gonna enter in Pinabakdaw,
Malapit lang yan, pero ganun.
Barangay Canlobo. Okay, let's go. Go.
Go!
Wow. Ito na.
Ipik!
No, nanonood ko ng bike at Barangay Lobo.
Ipik! Ipik!
Barangay Canlobo. No, Barangay Canlobo. So already I'm going to the top.
Ayaw yung magpakita ng kahinaan kapag may video.
Near Barangay Canlobo. So when we arrive there, we're gonna have our lunch. We're gonna take a rest before proceeding going to the main highway, Pinabakdaw. Pasok lang kayo din na barangay. Pinalusap ang bike. Barangay
Because we there.
Canlobo.
Ambulance.
Arriving now. Finally at 1:45 PM. We arrive Barangay Canlobo. Pinabakdaw, Samar. This is the farthest barangay in Pinabakdaw. Yeah, we're gonna take a rest there. We'll have our lunch here. Oo, katikan kami akuan. Dito, Kalbiga.
Kanan ni pala ate.
Barangay Canlobo yun no? Ah, sige. Ah. So, ayan, Barangay Canlobo. So, welcome Barangay Canlobo, Pinabakdaw, Samar. Ano? Pinabakdaw. Sige. O, dyan na lang, may barbecue, oh. May balik ka dito, bugas. O, sige.
Pa ko na kayo, Jo.
Ha? Sige. O, sige.
Kami na lang magbabayo.
Oo.
Sige, magbabayo
Oh.
kami.
Oo. Maramat ng bayo.
Maya, kalsada na din yung atokan. Pinabakdaw.
Bay silanan.
Baysilanan na pula.
Wala. O, marasa ito na bugas. Sige. Pira ko na, tigpira. O, sige. Napalit.
300 din gantang.
Gantang. So, gonna eat here our lunch. They're still cooking. Yeah, water break. Flying drone there. Barangay Canlobo. Oh, ano nga rice? Basilanon? Basilanon.
Kalinayan.
Kalinayan. Ito, marasang ano. Tapos na kami mag-lunch. So, finish some lunch. We're gonna prepare now. Gonna go biking now. Thank you. We're leaving now in Barangay Canlobo. So, we're gonna biking again. Damong salamat. Let's go. Going na to Pinabakdaw Highway. Barangay Canlobo. Okay. So we're now living here in Barangay Canlobo, Pinabakdaw. So we're going now to the main highway, going back there in Pinabakdaw. So we're gonna traverse now. See you.
Going home na!
Going home na. Dua kadlaw na. Salamat.
Overstaying na.
So appeal kagad doon, no? So, yeah.
Mga babies. Shout
There you
out
go.
sa
Yeah, bye-bye Barangay Canlobo. So, uphill. Very nice, there's a rainbow there. Rainbow. Wow.
Nabalik
Beautiful.
Tiil, manok.
So we're going to Barangay Layaw. Ano na barangay din? Maagi yan? Layo. So we're going to Barangay Layo. So the next Barangay Canlobo, Barangay Layo. So they're going to Barangay Layo. Crossing la. Sige. Oo. Ano, okay ka pa? Sige.
Paano mahukay ito kung walang heavy? Meron na. Na-open na ito. Sira lang. Kasi sa parang bike sa ilalim ng dagat na matagal na.
Ilang kilo na, nadagdag. Parang fat bike na.
Tirahan na ng
Dahil
isda.
sa putik. Naging fat bike.
Nag-drive.
Andrive, ano pa? Okay pa? Buhay pa?
Flat bike.
Pating tao na flat din. Ang driver na flat din.
Ito flat. Yun, flat.
Flat. Ito tumaba na yung fat bike. Oh. Puro putik yung mga bike namin. Yan.
Sumakapit.
Oh.
Okay ko, Juni ka taas oh. Mataas yan, kuwan din.
We see the road there. The cement road. So we're going downhill. Yeah, made it. There, the cement road. Yeah, finally. Over there. That's the main road. Finally, we arrive in the cement road. Woohoo! Woohoo! Yeah, made it. So biking now going to Pinabakdao to the highway. Yeah. Maraming putik. Kaya. Ha? Okay, go. Wow, nakakabike na hiya.
Sige, na nila.
Oh, okay, ikaw, sunod. Asa sir? Downhill. Going na to Pinabakdao Highway. Parasanon. So we go na to Barangay Parasanon. Okay, go, Kuya Nold. Okay. Go down. Downhill. Let's go. Tandansoy again. Tusok. Okay, taking a rest. And then we're not anymore far away going to Parasanon. In the highway. Maharlika Highway. So we go out there. Already Pinabakdao area. Yeah. I'm gonna prepare the drone. Gonna fly the drone. Resting time. Resting. Shoes.
Huh?
Muddy. We arrived here in Parasanon. Yeah, we're now in the highway. Congratulations, we made it. The traverse. Still alive. Finally, we're now here in the highway. Maharlika Highway. Yeah, we made it. Already arrived here in Parasanon. So back to the Maharlika Highway. So we arrive around, what's the time now? Let's see. It's already 6:17. Yeah, we arrived here. Congratulations. So now we're going there for washing. Gonna wash our bike. Washing now our bike. Para sa ano.
Bulogin kuya, Nolds 20 na yun.
Ha?
Bulogin 20.
Mura man kuya. Ha? Mura yung magkuhan. Wala.
Washing.
Sige.
Washing time. Para sa ano. Okay. Washing. Washing time. Washing. We made it.
Ayun na yun.
May binigay ka na sa akin, sir.
Yeah, congratulations. Congratulations.
Next time.
For the epic ride. Yeah, nag-enjoy ka?
We survived, yes. We enjoyed. Tapos,
Oh, ano? Sasabi mo?
pagod.
O ikaw, upot ka ba? Ha? Anong grabe?
Sunod na lang ako magdidesisyon.
Maganda.
Oh, ganda, enjoy. Oh.
Oh, maganda.
Oh, maganda lugar.
Siyempre, kasama yung
Very
pagod. Kaya ikaw daw pag dinuso,
Oh.
pag igbaw pa, wari agian, karabaw lang agian.
Nahirapan na akong pa kanina kay
So we're already having our snack here in Barangay Parasanon. Later we're gonna ride a bus back to Catbalogan. So our friend, we're going back to Palok. Gonna get our pickup there in Hinabangan. So nice epic adventure, 2 days in Hinabangan, Calbiga, Pinabacdao.
Upay na lang,
Congratulations.
bumigay.
Ore bumigay.
Wari bumigay.
Yeah, see you for the next
Salamat,
adventure here in Samar. Bye-bye.
Salamat, Lord.
Yeah, congratulations.
For the patience, and perseverance, and
Ah.
energy.
Yeah. For the fighting spirit.
sa upland ng
Ano?
Kala ko bibigay na.
Hinabangan, upland.
Bye. Yeah, snack time. Cheers. Okay, cheers.
More bike!
More bike.